Welcome to Best Choice. The Best GoPro 8 bundle is probably one of the most essential investments for any action camera enthusiast looking to maximize their filming potential, offering a comprehensive collection of mounts, protective gear, and power solutions that transform your basic camera into a versatile storytelling machine, ready to capture every adventure from unique perspectives without missing a beat. Number 5. 61-in-1 Action Camera Accessories Kit. This harness allows you to adjust direction and angle to your needs. It makes capturing immersive videos and photos from a first-person perspective effortless, especially while riding. With this grip, you can take photos while snorkeling or surfing, ensuring your camera's safety. It lets you enjoy beautiful views without worry, perfect for all your water sports. Its fully adjustable design lets you capture unique angles and different points of view. Record every unforgettable moment with friends or family, making your journey more fun. This mount securely attaches to your car window, recording the alongside scene. It allows shooting from any different point of view, providing a broad range of motion for POV filming. Adjust its interface to fit any bike or motorcycle handlebar. It installs easily and securely, letting you shoot from fantastic angles on your rides. What we like. This kit offers an extensive 61-in-1 selection, providing a mount for nearly every scenario. It's perfect for capturing immersive first-person perspective videos across various activities. If you're an adventurer who loves trying different sports and needs a versatile setup, this is your go-to choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted for decision-making. Number 4. Suptig 47-in-1 Action Camera Accessories Kit. This all-in-one kit fully meets the usage demands for various sports scenarios. It allows you to capture every moment of your adventure, no matter the activity. It's designed to be compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including popular models from GoPro, DJI, and Insta360. This kit includes diverse mounts and accessories to perfectly match your devices. This practical chest mount helps you capture videos and photos from diverse angles. It's ideal for skiing, cycling, hiking, and many other activities, giving you a unique perspective. The head mount works for both heads and helmets, with adjustable straps for a snug fit. Anti-slip textures ensure firm fixation, making it a reliable part of your gear. The suction cup mount provides broad range of motion and stability. You can attach it securely to smooth surfaces like windshields or tiles, expanding your shooting possibilities. A durable polyester lanyard with a swivel clasp keeps your camera secure and accessible. It's lightweight, comfortable, and soft, perfect for various portable items. This protective carrying case is specially designed for your action camera and accessories. Its high-quality EVA interior features compartments, ideal for travel or home storage, keeping everything safe. What we like. This 47-in-1 kit stands out for its exceptional device compatibility, supporting a vast range of action cameras. It also includes a dedicated protective carrying case, ensuring your gear stays safe. If you own multiple camera brands or frequently travel and need secure storage, this kit is an excellent investment. What people say. The accessories are well made and fit the GoPro 8 perfectly. This bundle includes a wide variety of mounts and attachments for diverse shooting scenarios. Number 3. NEEWER 50-in-1 Action Camera Kit. Elevate your action camera experience with this comprehensive accessory kit. It's designed for ultimate compatibility, working seamlessly with popular brands like GoPro, DJI Osmo, and Insta360. Secure it to your head, chest, or helmet. These straps are perfect for capturing breathtaking first-person views during surfing, skateboarding, or intense biking trails. The wrist strap offers a 360-degree rotatable mount, allowing you to easily adjust its position. This gives you the flexibility to capture shots from unique and dynamic angles. Don't fear the water. Its floating handle grip ensures your camera stays safely afloat. This makes it ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and all your aquatic adventures. Attach it to your bike or motorbike with the handlebar mount for thrilling ride footage. Or, use the suction cup to secure it to your car for stable in-car recordings. The flexible tripod can wrap around various objects, providing stability even on uneven terrain. It ensures you get steady shots no matter where your adventure takes you. For those perfect selfies and group shots, the lightweight selfie stick is your go-to. It's easy to carry and extends your reach for wider, more inclusive frames. What we like. Featuring 50 accessories, this kit boasts ultimate compatibility with many camera models. A standout is its flexible tripod, which can wrap around objects for unique angles. If you enjoy creative shots and need a tripod that adapts to any surface, this kit will elevate your content. What people say. Number 2. Luxebell 14-in-1 Action Camera Accessories Kit. This adjustable chest strap lets you capture amazing videos and photos from a unique perspective. It's perfect for skiing, cycling, canoeing, and many other sports activities. With the floating handle grip, your camera stays safe on the water's surface. Its bright yellow color ensures it's easily found if it ever goes adrift. The head strap offers a hands-free, adjustable view for any user. Plus, the extension pole is your go-to for capturing all your daily adventures and group shots. This robust suction cup mount securely attaches your camera to cars, boats, or motorcycles. It's easy to attach, remove, and ensures steady recording on the go. Wear the wrist strap for dynamic shots while surfing or biking. For stable, creative angles, the flexible travel tripod can wrap around objects, making it truly portable for any adventure. What we like. This 14-in-1 kit is ideal for those who prioritize portability and water activities. It includes a great travel tripod that's easy to carry and essential floating mounts for aquatic adventures. If you're a casual user or focus on water sports and need a compact, reliable set, this one is for you. What people say. Number 1. Universal Action Camera Accessories Kit. This comprehensive 60-in-1 kit is your ultimate companion for vlogging, skiing, cycling, and other high-speed sports. It's designed to meet the needs of various camera models, making it easy to connect and use. With it, you can capture immersive, professional videos and photos while ensuring your camera stays protected. Explore new perspectives with its versatile straps. The 360 degrees rotatable wrist strap adapts to your arm for unique angles. Head and chest straps secure your camera, perfect for capturing thrilling POV footage during surfing, skateboarding, or bungee jumping. This kit includes a flexible mini tripod that can wrap around objects or stand firm on uneven ground. The lightweight, portable selfie stick extends from 7 to 29 inches, fitting easily into your bag or pocket. It even has a comfortable strap to keep it secure on your wrist. Dive into aquatic adventures with its floating handle. Whether you're snorkeling with tropical fish or riding the waves, it ensures your camera stays safe and buoyant. You can capture stunning underwater scenes without worry. Record your journeys with ease using the car suction cup bracket, which securely attaches your camera to your car window. For cyclists, the handlebar mount fits any bike or motorcycle, ensuring stable footage on the road. It helps you capture every moment of your adventure. Your satisfaction is our priority. Should any of your accessories encounter quality issues, please don't hesitate to contact our customer service team. We are committed to helping you resolve them quickly and efficiently. What we like. Designed with sports enthusiasts in mind, this 60-in-1 kit offers a wide array of straps for head, chest, and wrist. It's tailored to help you capture dynamic, immersive videos of your high-speed activities. If you're an active individual looking for robust mounting solutions for extreme sports, this kit is your perfect match. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.